What's up, YouTube? Y'all, I'm so freaking excited for today's video simply because we're going to dun, 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 Disney. And Nevaeh is currently asleep right now. We're stopped at a gas station to get some gas, and then we'll be on the interstate on the way to Orlando. But yeah, I really was trying to rush and get both of us ready, so that's why I really didn't film right when we got up and then when we got dressed and everything. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got her because it's so freaking cute. But she's asleep right now. She got on a cute little dress. It got a bow like this on it, and then she got a cute little jacket, but I'm gonna show y'all when I put it all together. And yeah, we just look so cute as a family. Me and B got matching shirts that say mom and dad, you know, with the I got Minnie and then he got Mickey, I think, on his, and we're super excited. So the park opened up at 4 for us, but it's currently 4:38, so we're gonna be there probably around like 5 something, but that's okay because the event starts at 7 o'clock all the way to midnight. Y'all, we finally made it. It was so long to get here and so frustrating, but now we'll know what to do next time. But yeah, we finally made it, and it's so beautiful. I'm so glad that we did, and that we're still gonna have time to see the parade and enjoy every little thing here. That baby girl. B! 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 Hey, hey! You at Disney World? Look at me. She was screaming because she wanted to walk. Big. Hey, Mama. Now look at her big. She's so cute. Baby, where you going? Mommy. Yeah, we going on a motorcycle roller coaster ride with me. Y'all got her outfit from Pat Pat. Instead of shades, I want me some Mickey Mouse ears. I gotta go find me some. We already just got a balloon, and it was $15, y'all. $15. It was real big, but she was crying for that balloon, so we had to get it for her. So she got the balloon, and I was gonna see if she liked this ride, and I'm gonna vlog and see how she do. It's okay, Mama. Look, Mama.
Star Traders, home to the greatest goods in the galaxy. Except actual stars. Those are no longer sold.
Hey, Mama, we on the ride? say this ride going too fast for her, but I think they can make it spin more with this. Because some people's on was spinning faster than others, but we got like a slow one, so let's see if she like it. It might be spinning around too much for me because I get queasy easily. Benny. Let's see what she do, y'all. What? Who did it? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yay. Nene. It's not that bad. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Nene, say wee. Look how fast they're going. Oh my goodness. The characters finally came out and Benny is missing all of it.
Howdy, folks. Recent